Alright, the equation is the parabola y is equals to minus s squared plus 5x plus 6 is intersected by the line y is equals to minus 1 over 2x plus 12. What is the y coordinate of the intersection close to the x-axis? Now, for us to solve this question, we have to equate this first line to this second line, which is s squared plus minus s squared plus 5x plus 6 to minus 1 over 2x plus 12. So let's do it. We have minus s squared plus 5x plus 6 is equals to minus 1 over 2x plus 12. So now I can write this as minus s squared plus 5x plus 6 is equals to, now the LCM of this place is 2. 2 into is 1. 1 times minus 1x. That's minus x plus, there is 1 here. 2 in 1 in 2, that's 2. 2 times 12, 24. So the next step is to cross multiply. You have 2 into brackets minus s squared plus 5x plus 6 is equals to minus x plus 24. Now let's open the brackets. We have minus 2s squared plus 10x plus 12 is equals to minus x plus 24. Now we'll collect the like terms and equate it to 0. We have minus 2s squared plus 10x plus x plus 12 minus 24 equals to 0. So we have minus 2s squared plus 11x minus 12, which is equals to 0. Now these are changed to quadratic equation. For us to make it easier for us, you multiply through by minus 1. Multiply through by minus 1. So if you multiply through by minus, so minus times minus there will be what? Plus. So you have 2s squared minus 11x plus 12 equals to 0. Now if you want to solve this quadratic equation, you multiply this 2 by 12. 2 times 12 will give you what? 24. Now we have two values here. We have 24 and 11. Now if you want to solve this, minus 11 rather. If you want to solve this, you have to look for what you can add together that will give you 11, and you multiply, that will give you 24. Now let's look at the factor of 24. That's 3 and 8. 3 times 8 will give you 24, but if you add 3 plus 8 together, you get 11, not minus 11. So we can make use of minus 3 and minus 8. Minus 3 times minus 8 will give you plus 24. Why? Minus 3 minus 8 will give you minus 11. So let's input our factor. You substitute for this minus 11x. So you have 2x squared minus 3x minus 8x plus 12 is equals to 0. So let's factorize this out. So what is common to both sides here? X. So we are left with what? 2x minus 3. Now, what is common to both sides? 4 can go in 8, 4 can go in 12. So minus 4, that's 2x minus 3, which equals to 0. So we have x minus 4, 2x minus 3. That's 0, which means x minus 4 is equals to 0, or 2x minus 3 is equals to 0. So our x will now be equals to 4, or our x will now be equals to 3 over 2. Now remember the lines equation we are given. We have two line equation. Just pick any of those line equation and substitute this value we have on ground. Now let's pick this equation, which is minus s squared plus 5x plus 6 . So when x is equals to 4, what do we have? We have y will now be equals to minus 2 square plus, 4 square plus 5 into bracket 4 plus 6. So we have minus 16 plus 20 plus 6. If you do this, this one will give you minus 10. That's 10. And when x is equals to 3 over 2, we have y is equals to minus 3 over 2 square plus 5 3 over 2 plus 6. So this one will now, because y is equals to minus 9 over 4 plus 15 over 2 plus 6 over 1. So our HCM here is 4. So this one will be minus 9 plus 30 plus 24. So if you solve this 54 minus 9, that should give us 45 over 4, which is equals to 11 whole number 1 over 4. Now your final answer will be 10. Y is 10. This is the closest answer to the x-axis because it's the one that gave us the whole number.